Phakathi goes to search Jackson's office but finds nothing because Jackson has already gotten rid of the evidence. Sakhile seems to be hiding something big from Petunia, but it's not what she thinks it is. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So, Martha is worried about Jackson because of the collapsed at school and says that they're going to be digging into him and the municipality. So he needs to get his things in order. Jackson says he has already started getting rid of the evidence, so they won't find anything. He actually runs to the office to shred papers, tear papers, delete things from his laptop. Just when he finishes up deleting, Phakathi walks in with a warrant to search his office, go through documents, go through computers. But Jackson siqedile. But the funny part is that all the shredded stuff are still there. All the documents that he teared are still in the dustbin. And Phakathi searches and finds nothing indeed. And Jackson was like, I told you, I told you, there was just a mix-up of documents. Phakathi is frustrated because he thought he was going to get something, but the team is like, we can't find anything. And he decides to take everything, take the dustbin, take the shredding machine. We're taking everything so we can go and search thoroughly. When they get to the police station, and maybe piece together the papers, and maybe they'll find something. And then Sakhile is with Uzweletu. Zwelethu went to see Sakhile, asking him when he's going to come and back to work because umsebenzi wakhe umlindile. But Sakhile says it doesn't seem like he wants to go back to work at the depot because of everything that has been going on with Jackson. And then Petunia ngapha is set on meeting this Mantwa, Notabo, because she believes that family it's a secret family yomyeni wakhe, and says ukuthi uMantu umefika nje uzodila nayo. Uma Miki ubhizi uyafuela ukuthi yes umpitse ebile umuthi lapha I'm here if you need me. But Uma Mfundisi is like, please ehlisana umoya, there's no need to be all hasty about this thing. Petunia was disappointed nabafika because actually ugogo uMantwa is actually a granny. Uza nomfana ke uThabo. Petunia was embarrassed to say the least, apologizing for behavior yakhe and the voice note she sent. She left for uMantwa. But uMantwa is understanding, saying, I understand you were fighting for what's yours. I understand it must have took you off guard to think ukuthi mhlawumbe umyeni wakho unonkosikazi omunye nomntwana or another family. And then they have a good time. Ask ukuthi nimeet njani uSakhile. They lie, saying ukuthi uSakhile was friends with Mpho, umkhwenyana wakhe, and then when he died, Sakhile took over, taking care of yena noThabo. And then Mantwa lo says ukuthi she's happy that Sakhile uthole uthando futhi after Nthabiseng died. And then Mantwa asked to speak to Sakhile alone. And then they excuse them. Athi Mantwa, please make sure imfihlo yethu cannot come out, our secret cannot come out. You need to make sure that you contain Petunia. But Sakhile is certain ukuthi Petunia won't find anything. She was just suspecting ukuthi he's got another family. Nowhere close to the truth. I wonder what it is that they're hiding, because it seems like it's something big. Did they kill my parents Thabo? What's happening? Or is there something else underlying? Or is this just a hired person that was hired to act as uMantwa? There's no Mantwa. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.